See, 6 into I means I is a identity element for a multiplication, and I will be what we write. So say 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Is that clear? So here, see, whenever your question matrix is given 2 by 2, this I you have to use as an identity matrix of 2 by 2 means 1 0 0 1. अब क्या करना है? That will be very simple. Multiply these two. Multiply 5 to this matrix, 6 to this matrix, and then you have to add up all one. And whatever you get it, that is your final answer. Is that clear? It's very simple. You try. How to do? Have given. The same thing given in example number 16. In example number 16, you have to prove or you have to verify that a cube minus 6a square plus 7a plus 2i equal to 0. So before take a left hand side, first find out a cube. Means first find out a square, then find out a cube, and keep all the matrix here in the left hand side, add up. So you will get a final answer will be what? 0 0 0 means 0 matrix you will get it. Understand? 17 is a 2 by 2 matrix given. Just compare them and find out the value of k. There you have to find out what? There you have to find out what? A square means that is what? A into A. Is that clear? Now we go on to next question. That is a 17th question. That will be important. Sorry, 18th question. Is a different given. See, A is equal to 0 minus 10 alpha by 2. 10 alpha by 2, 0. Okay. Now I is the identity element of a 2 by 2. Prove that I plus A is equal to I minus A into cos alpha minus sin alpha into what? And cos alpha. This is also very simple. Take a left hand side, just find out I plus C. Now here you have to use the formula for a cos alpha is 1 minus 10 square alpha by 2 upon 1 plus 10 square alpha by 2. And a sin alpha is what you have to use. This formula we have seen already in a 11th standard. 1 plus 10 alpha by 2. Now normally 10 alpha by 2 everywhere we are using. So we take 10 alpha by 2 is t. We take 10 alpha by 2 is t. So your value becomes what here? 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square. Like this here, 2t upon 1 plus t square. Understood this step? Now see, left hand side, I plus A. I is identity matrix of 2 by 2 means 1 0 0 1 into A means this. So can I use 0 minus t? T 0. Why t? Because 10 alpha by 2 is a t. Now if you add up, then it will be what? 1 minus t, t is 1. Is that clear? Similar way we go on a right hand side. That is bracket is this, I minus A into cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. Now you can see, man, here this is a matrix, this is I plus A is this one. So when you say I minus A, this plus sign, this will be a minus, so it will be what? Difference will be what? So can I say matrix? So 1 plus t, so this t become minus t, minus plus 1 can I say. Is it okay? In place of a plus, here you have a minus. So 1 minus plus means minus and minus plus t. And this all become negative and some become positive. Now, this in place of cos alpha we keep this value. So it is what? 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square. Sin alpha means minus 2t upon 1 plus t square. This should be 2t upon 1 plus t square and 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square. Now just multiply them. I leave you on new, just first row, first column. So 1 into this means 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square plus t into this means what? T into 2t upon 1 plus t square. Like that you have to multiply rest of the component. So what you get it, just I show you this operation. Just you see, your denominator is what? See, your denominator is what? So say 1 plus t square, that is common. Numerator 1 minus t square plus 2 into 2 t means what? Sorry, this should be t into, not t into this. So t into 2t is what? 2t square. So 2t square minus t square means t square. So 1 plus t square upon 1 plus t square. So this component becomes 1. Means this operation becomes what? 1. So finally you will get it what? This product. So say 1 minus t 1. And that's why you can say LHS equal to RHS. LHS equal to RHS. Is that clear? So like this you can finish your exercise 3.2 here. Understand? Now last one is also very simple. Last one is also very simple. 19th is what you can say that logical. Stop. One thing. No. See, just you have to make the matrix, nothing else. See, a trust fund has a 30,000 that must be invested into two different types of bonds. One is a 5% and another one is what? 7%. Means 30,000 they break in it two. So suppose they keep X rupees at a 5%. So how many rupees they have kept in a 7%? So say 30,000 minus X. 30,000 minus X. So this we make it the matrix like this. First amount X, second amount is 30,000 minus X. And this will be what? Second matrix 5 and 7. Now if you multiply, then you will get it. What? The interest. I repeat again the something. A trust fund has a 30,000 that must be invested into two different types of bonds. The first bond pay 5% interest per year and the second bond pay a 7% interest per year. Using matrix multiplication, determine how to divide 30,000 among the two types of bond. If the trust fund must obtain an annual total interest of 1800 and 2000, means first time they get 1800 interest, means you take 1800, multiply them and find out the value of X and a 15,000, then the second value. Like this, for the B, in place of 1800 you take it what? 2000. Is that clear? Like that you please try to do 20. It's very simple. So like that you finish this exercise. Understand? Clear? So the few things are there. If you have any problem, you just see even the illustration. Now the next topic, supposed to be any matrix A given. 2, 3, 4, 1, 5, 7. This is a matrix of what? 2 by 3. Now I'm taking the new point. After this, 3.2. See here, this is a matrix of 2 by 3. If we convert all the rows into column, means if I change this element like a first row into first column, 2, 3, 4. Second row as a second column, 1, 5, 7. So the obtained matrix becomes what? 3 rows and 2 columns. That is a 3 by 2. This outcome matrix is called the transpose of the matrix, which we write as A transpose, A raised to T. So the transpose of the matrix is when we convert all the possible rows of the matrix into the possible columns, then that outcome matrix is called the transpose matrix. Means A is equal to Aij. See, transpose of a matrix. Understood? Aij m cross n matrix given. What we are doing? We are converting into like this Aiji, and outcome is what? N cross m. And that outcome matrix is what? A transpose. See, A11 okay, but this A12 is 3. It becomes what? A21. A21 mane second row, first column. This is a place for 4 is a place for what? A13, first row, third column. That we interchange. So that become 4 as a third row, first column. Understood? So I just give you a few more examples. जैसे कि this is number 1. Second, supposed to be A is equal to given 2, 3, 4, 5 or 2, 4, 2, 4, 4, 5. What is the transpose of the matrix? So we can say 2, first row, first column, and the second row, second column. So it remains as it is. So here you get it. A transpose is equal to A. Means here we get the relation A transpose is equal to A. So this is another point. In a square matrix, now this is, remember, why the square matrix? Means that rows and column has to be identical. So in a square matrix, if number of rows is equal to the number of column, that is a square matrix, okay? But in a square matrix, say if A transpose is equal to A, then that matrix is called so what you can say, symmetric matrix. If A transpose is equal to A, then that matrix A is called symmetric matrix. Is that clear? I just repeat, symmetric matrix. Supposed to be 3 by 3 element le, so A is equal to. Now how to make, you can say here, see these two components are similar. So here diagonal element, you just keep any one, 1, 2, 3. Just you make similar element of this, like this and like this. So here I keep a 4, 4. Here I keep a 6, 6. And here I keep a 7, 7. Okay, so what is the A transpose? See, so first row 1, 4, 7. 1, 4, 7. I write like this. First column 1, 4. Sorry, it is a 6. Sorry. So 1, 4, 6. Second row 4, 2, 7 becomes column 4, 2, 7. And the third row 6, 7, 3 is remain as it is 6, 7, 3. Can you get it? That will be what? A only. So here A transpose is equal to A. Understood? That we call as a symmetric matrix. But see, supposed to be given like this: A is 0, 2, minus 2, 0. Just think, what is the A transpose? So the first row becomes first column, means 0, 2. Second row becomes column, means is minus 2, 0. If I take minus multiply inside and outside, then it becomes what? If I multiply minus sign inside and outside, माइनस बाहर किया, अब माइनस अंदर मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, 0 + 2 -2 0. This is nothing but what? Original matrix A. So that we can say minus A. So what you get it, the relation A transpose is equal to minus A. When you have a like this relation in a square matrix A, you get it what? Skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. So whenever in a square matrix A, if you have a relation A transpose is equal to minus A, then that matrix is called skew symmetric matrix. Understand? Clear? Now, so example based on this will be a very simple. Let's try. But here we see some properties. See, properties. Number 1, A dash or A transpose raised to transpose is A itself. A transpose. Now another thing, A transpose also you can represent as dash. A transpose or A dash. The thing is similar one. Either you can represent A raised to T or A dash. So you can also say the property A dash dash is what? A. So transpose of a transpose is a matrix itself. Second property, you can say K into A transpose. K into A bracket whole transpose. You can take out K, that constant outside, into A transpose, A dash. Third, we can prove also that one. A plus B whole transpose is equal to A dash plus B dash. Now in place of transpose I will call you dash. We can prove this. See some example given based on this. We verify this relation. तो क्या करेंगे? So we first take a left hand side. In a left hand side, first we find A plus B. Then we find transpose or a transpose of A plus B. This we give a number 1. For a right hand side, first we find A dash. Then we find B dash. And then we take the addition of them A dash plus B dash. This is number 2. From 1 and 2, we can say that A plus B dash is equal to A dash plus B dash. Fourth property is AB whole dash is nothing but B dash into A dash. AB whole dash is equal to B dash into A dash. There is also some verification given for this, that whatever A and B given, first we find AB, means product of A and B, and then we take complement transpose of A and B. This is number 1. We find A dash for a right hand side. We find a B dash. See, maximum students are making mistake. They are taking A dash into B dash. Commutative does not hold in a product. We find what? B dash into A dash. If you go on this multiplication, you can get it first and the second will be the similar. So this relation will be also hold. So the exercise number, please try 3.3 basis on this. Understood? There is one more thing is given here. This is one of the statements, just remember that One logic is given like this. Theorem number 1 form. For any square matrix A, देखा है? See on a page number 86. For any square matrix A with real numbers, real entries, A plus A dash is a symmetric and A minus A dash is a skew symmetric. What is say? Number 1, A plus A dash is symmetric. What is the meaning of that? So say symmetric कब कहते हैं? तो कभी A dash is A, it is a symmetric. So can I say A plus A dash whole dash has to be what? A plus A dash. अब प्रूव करना भी easy है. देखो, we use the second property. You know that A plus B whole dash is equal to A dash plus B dash. You know that A plus B whole dash अभी देखा, that is what A dash plus B dash. तो अगर मैं प्रॉपर्टी यूज करूँ तो क्या होगा? A dash plus A dash whole dash. So this is nothing but A dash, but here A dash dash is nothing but what? A. अब एडिशन में तो हम लिख सकते हैं ना, A dash plus A is nothing but A plus A dash. So that means you get it what? A plus A dash whole dash is what? A plus A dash. Means the thing is same. So that means A plus A dash is what? Symmetric matrix. Similar way, second thing, A minus A dash is skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix, when we say, so say if A dash is minus A, मतलब A minus A dash whole dash has to be what? Minus of A minus A dash. हम प्रूव कर सकते हैं. We take a left hand side. A minus A dash whole dash. We use the same property. Separate them. A dash minus A dash whole dash. But the first rule says A dash whole dash is nothing but what? A. Now I am taking minus sign common. So A minus A dash. That is nothing but right hand side. So we can say A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix and A